Tonight, a warning for homeowners before you hire someone to do work on your house.
A little-known state law could put your home at risk for someone else's actions. 10 Tampa Bay Verify anchor Josh Sidorowicz explains how and what you can do to protect your property.
It is, after all, your biggest investment, so you want to protect it. But Brenda in Land O'Lakes emailed Verify after she said she was told a subcontractor or a supplier could turn around and put a lien on your home if the company you ultimately paid for the work doesn't pay them. Brenda, using these sources, here's what I can verify. It's true. Florida has had a construction lien law for decades, and it extends that right to enforce a claim against your property to everyone involved in the process. So you could find yourself in a situation where you pay your general contractor, but if they don't then pay the supplier, that supplier could come after you. According to longtime Tampa construction attorney Jason Lambert, there are some key steps you can take to protect yourself, starting with when you make those initial payments to a contractor.
Ask that contractor to provide you with a payment affidavit, whether it's for a progress payment or for a final payment, because that affidavit is going to spell out anybody who the contractor has hired as a subcontractor or material supplier who they still owe money to. And that will give a property owner the information they need to make sure that they are protecting themselves as best they can to prevent liens from coming up.
Pinellas County's consumer protection manager says you can also request lien waivers from the contractor and any subcontractors. But that is something you would have to do with each payment throughout the process.
I think it does surprise people at times that they think they've done everything they should. They've made the payments required, and sometimes they're surprised when things don't go well. But ultimately, as the homeowner and the way the laws are currently written, you could be on the hook paying for the same thing twice.
And like Brenda, you can email your questions to verify@10tampabay.com, or you can text them to 727-577-8522. With your Verify, I'm Josh Sidorowicz.
Now to a